Okay, welcome to my channel again. You want to know why I made that cinematic intro, so keep watching. So I picked a project, then I added my text to it. Tales of adulthood. Of course, I know a lot of Nigerians will understand what I'm talking about. So when I added it, I added the kind of font I want. So, and that is Gamble font. You find that in your CapCut. So I added the sound, the effect rather, that I want to use, and I used sudden appearance. So as you can see there, it's going to give you that cinematic sound. So you can go back to the beginning of the video to see how it sounds, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to continue. Alright, so I added the animation to it. That is how I want it to come in and how it's going to go out. You can see that there. So I added it. I used the animation, which is the glitch. I used the glitch. You can see there the glitch in and the glitch out. So I proceeded by duplicating the sound, which is the effect, the sudden appearance, because I'm going to be adding another text. So I added it to it, as you can see there. So I added another text and repeated the same format. But before I went there, I added a rainy effect to the background because I'm going to be using a lightning and a rainy effect. So I added the rainy and the lightning effect to it. So as you can see there, so it's coming in together. Of course, when there's lightning, there's going to be rain. Sometimes it doesn't happen that way, but just for the purpose of the video, just enjoy. So as you can see, it's coming in together. It's coming in together. So I went for the sound and I downloaded the thunder effect because I could not find that in CapCut, so I had to download the thunder effect. You can find it there, but I just needed something that is going to sound very, very cinematic. So I added it to it, and that is how I made the design. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe to my page.